there, this is Cassie Diaries. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and please subscribe, like, share and comment. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support and love all the time. On this channel we talk and breathe here. So today I'm going to show you how I did my jumbo braids. In between, I'll be telling you how unfair life is. The first thing is I'm going to show you this in roughly less than 10 minutes, but in real life it took me maybe 2 hours. That's how unfair life is. So to start with, just giving you a heads up, I always wash and condition my hair before I braid, because sometimes it can last me 2 to 4 weeks keeping in the style, or more than that. So you can watch my previous videos. I did how I did the avocado treatment and how I conditioned and oiled my hair. So please do watch those videos to get a full preparation of how you should take care of your hair. It's better to have short hair, but that is healthy and good looking. So here I'm going to be using 2 color braids as black and gold. So I'm working on a protective style, so it's not going to be slicked with any gel or any oils down, because I've realized I'm having a lot of reactions. Maybe it's change of environment, or there's one product that I'm using, so I'm yet to figure out exactly what's really going on. So at the moment I've downsized how I do it from the products that I use. I'm so mindful, I'm so careful. I have to know each and every ingredient in a product. Like, I'm really trying. If you don't know what I'm talking about, like, if you can watch my previous videos, you can see I've been having a reaction, and that made me to sit down and look at this channel from where I started and where I am. I've seen where there was growth, and I've seen where my hair was shading in the hairline, and I noticed what went wrong and what I did wrong. So I had to sit down and re-strategize again to go back to the old ways. For me to figure out why my hairline sometimes is there and why my hairline sometimes is not there, I had to sit down and watch all my videos. I have approximately 100 videos. I don't know how many there are for specifically hair, but I had to sit down and watch them to see which style was having my hair, and the next that I did was my hairline still there. So I figured out it's a lot of tension that I was putting on my hair, and I'm just neglecting my hair. So I started doing oil treatments. I started doing oiling and having a washing routine. Funny thing is, I can do hair for people, I can do hair treatments for people, but I never had the chance to do for myself. I'm always like, no, it's fine like that, no, it's fine like that, lazy to do that. So before this style, I prepared my hair. I had an avocado treatment. I moved on to do moisturizing, conditioning and oiling my hair, like the strict one, to say I'm moisturizing my hair today, I'm going to do oil treatment and everything. I did that. Then I had to treat the hair as well, to wash it, condition it and dry it outside. Then I'm now installing the hair. I chose to do the jumbo style because I don't want to waste much of my time, and I don't want a lot of oil on my hair. But apparently, it turned out like I was thinking it's gonna be less hours for me, but it was more and a little bit hard for me to hold the hair. But well, it's coming up, so I will braid halfway down, maybe 3/4 way down, I'm not sure. Then at the ends, as you can see, I'm going to put some curls. It looks easy, it doesn't make sense when you're just looking like this. That's how life is. That's how social media is. They just show you the first parts and then the end result. The struggles in between, no one cares to share about them. No one really shows the truth of their journey or their content creation or what's really going on in most cases. But I'm going to make this a documentary for me, for myself, for my benefit, so that in future, if I want to trace back and see where I went wrong, I can still come back and say, okay, this is where it stopped, this is when it started. I'm going to be sharing with you every detail as it is. Okay, let's just gist a little bit. I've learned that you don't have to worry much about what you see on social media or what you see on what people are showing you, because there are a lot of struggles and a lot of lies in it. Yeah, I can just show you when I'm beginning to prepare the hair, then I can just show you the end result, then you guys, you like, comment and subscribe, and we move on. But in real life, that's not it. If you notice that your hair is sometimes breaking, please just refer back to the old ways. Put less stress, use thread, and don't do a lot of styles on it. Okay, so this is it. That was the cows the first day, and there I was vibing, looking nice and all. No one knew the struggles that I went through and what I'm hiding on that hairline. Anyways guys, please subscribe and do my next video. Bye.